Hey guys, welcome back. It's Friday, it's 2 o'clock. It's been a day. We sold a stack of hammers today. They've gone out to a very good client of mine. So they've gone out. We've got cutting disc there, guys. Wire wheels, H packers there, more there. We've got more there, more there, more there. It's getting a little crowded. Those guys are all our loose drill bits, thousands and thousands of them. We've added double-ended stub drills to the kit, to the stock now. So anybody riveting, using rivets, come see us. 1/8, 532, 316, double-ended stub drills. Probably the best you'll ever use. And look at Julie, guys. Julie's packing packers.
Yep.
Today she's a packer queen, bro. So yeah, so couldn't use the DJI today, guys. I did bring it in, but I think I've got a faulty plug that I bought and a faulty lead. So I need to buy a plug and lead over the weekend because it's been plugged in for hours and it's dropped from 17 to 13% on charge. Unless I've got a dud battery. Shouldn't be because it's a brand new DJI. So we're just packing up a few orders here, guys. And let us show you what our shelves are starting to look like now from yesterday. We're still unloading, still putting them on the shelf, but we've gone from boom to boom. Boom, boom. That there, we're clearing that out, making way for a few other bits there. And then more here, boom. So that's what we have on the go here, guys. Look how well Julie packs it. She packs it very well. You do that, guys, because the carriers are so rough. Alice, awesome, Jules.
The bottom.
Oh, yep, definitely the bottom.
Oh, shit.
Oh, and Graham, hey, thanks for your email, man. I did reply to you this morning. You may have gone to school with Noel. Just up the driveway, he owns the boat shop, Sunset Cycles.
Old Birches.
Yeah, and hey, here's the thing. Yes, we definitely would need a keg, bro. We would need a keg.
Or two.
Or two. Julie wants to know what have you got.
For me.
She wants to know what have you got for her and Josh.
Yeah.
Excuse me, guys. I still got this little bit of a bug. We just told you on here. That looks real good, bro. I mean, and that's that one complete, eh?
Yeah. Before it's complete. And we got two more.
Here we go, guys. Look at Julie go. So basically, all we got to do is run a little ticket for it, eh?
Yep.
So I think that falls into 6 category. So this is what we're doing, guys. We've got all that, that's going out in the corner. That there. These here. These are wire wheels for your grinder. So we got that on the go, and we got a few other things. We've got we redid our stand. I showed you this quickly yesterday, but I didn't show you guys how Julie set up the display cases. Some of the stock that's come in blocking it, but if you look at it, I think Julie did a fantastic job of displaying all that. I think it looks bloody awesome. So I want to touch point on Julie's comment last week when we were here.
My comment.
Yeah, I was telling people last night, we're at 85 subscribers, 85. Hit the like, subscribe and share. Definitely subscribe, hit the bell. When we get to the 100, we're going with your idea. We're going to reward number 100 because I can see who the new members are. If anybody knows how you check all your members, tell me because I have no idea.
Or you could do a random, like,
draw
subscriber.
Yeah.
They might just unsubscribe and then
Yeah.
subscribe. Be number 100.
That's a, you know what, guys? That's a good
I'll do
point.
that.
Julie makes a good point.
Yeah.
Um,
Could be a random.
hit me up with messages especially Ben from real New Zealand, because Ben will know, how do I go into the analyticals or in the YouTube studio, and how do I see all the subscribers? Because I think that makes it fair, because people could unsubscribe then resubscribe for the prize. So, and it does. It makes it unfair on the current ones.
Yeah.
So what we will do, guys,
Loyal ones.
we will do a draw, and what we'll do is we'll number it 1 to 100.
Yeah, and you have to comment to be in the draw.
Yep. Comment, and we'll put everybody in there, and we pull one when we get to 100. And that person who we draw, that will be your winner.
We could put names in a
Yeah.
thing, and then I could pull one out.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Yeah, that's what we're going to do.
Good idea.
That way you're all included. Sorry, my bad. Julie's got it right.
Yeah.
That's a good idea, because I was sort of like, yeah, as the current members were losing out.
Yeah.
So yeah. So there we go, guys. That's the deal. I like that. That works for me. But Ben, I still want to see how I check all the members, because I don't know.
Yeah.
I was playing with it last night, and I can't figure it out. All I can see is 4 or 5. So I don't know. What do I do, man? Ben, you're my man, bro. So yeah, that works out good. That one's good to go. So we're going to go like this, guys. We're going to print a label. Come for a walkie. Let's have a break, Julie. We deserve it. We had a hell of a mess, guys. No, I know what it is. So we're going to go like this. Here you go, guys. You can talk to Julie. There you go.
They want to talk to me.
There you go. Julie will talk to you. So let's go like this. Bring this in.
Not much of a talker.
Julie's a talker. She's good at holding a conversation, guys. I'm just typing in this. What's everybody up to for the weekend?
Having a break this weekend.
Yeah, Julie's having
No
a break.
drinking. No naughty stuff. Family time.
Julie's behaving. Me too. I'm doing the same. I'm not drinking. I've been outside working, but this little bug's been playing havoc with me. It's really knocked me about a bit. So I'm not going to do anything drastic this weekend. I'm just going to chill out. Might go out for a little bit, but I don't know. It depends on how I feel. No, we didn't do that one, did we? That's not the one.
Yes, we did.
I think
That
it's
was
this
the
one. You just, no, it's not that one. Where is it?
Oh no, that's a different one.
Did you do mixed kits?
Yeah, I did 2.
Let's have a look.
There was one with 2 mixed kits, the orange and the...
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yep.
And
I got it.
yeah.
You're right. Sorry. Okay, and there are dockets on it anyway, eh?
Yeah.
It's just to help. And I think that one falls into that category there. Okay, there's the ticket. That's how we print a ticket. Can't show you what it's for, guys, but that's the ticket. So that one's done. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. As you can all tell, my voice is a little croaky. It's weird. I was telling Julie, it's during the day it seems like it's wearing off, and then when I get home, and Julie's right, I think it's because I'm relaxing then, and then it sort of takes hold of you again. It's a nasty one to shake. Usually I don't get beat around as much. So that's what we're going to do, guys. Number 100, we'll have a draw, and I like that. Then everybody's included in it, eh? And then we're going to order more oil, get more CRC, and I actually like your story too, Graham. I actually, I remember it. I think I remember it being like Corey and Salmon or something then, because I was a young guy working at Ulrich back in those days in Otahu, Great South Road, top end, Porter's Road in Great South. Lots changed, eh, since then, man. Lots changed. And then Graham was telling me they've got a 38% increase in rates over there. That's huge. And they get nothing.
Is that bigger than us? Warwick?
Yeah, that's much
24%,
bigger.
eh?
Yeah, it's about 20 here. 38% of Great Barrier, and they get nothing. Nothing.
Yeah.
So it's got to be hard there, but I bet you have nice summers, Graham. And then Graham from Woke, he sent me a message here and thing back. Thanks for the message, Graham. But yeah, this thing seems to like just keep coming back to haunt you, man. Sorry, guys. Ugh. So I'm looking forward to going home. I might go home at 4. And then that there's no room on the shelf for that. That's full. Then I get one more box on. Yeah, no, I quite like to pack this, but it have more than not enough. That's what I think. More than not enough.
On the top, just in the box.
Yeah, we'll just find a home for it somewhere. So yeah, so we've actually had a few busy days. Sorry guys, and I got an order over there for it's in the folder, I just haven't processed it. I was going to do it Monday. I think it's about 100 drills, guys. It's 50 of this, and I think 50 or 40 of the other. Next thing is 90 or 100 drills. It's over there. So we'll get that shown, and I'll show you guys what our stubbies look like.
We've got a customer.
There we go, guys. 3.3. Hey, bro. How you going, man? You want to buy some stubby drills, do you? Or do you want to buy packers, man? Oh, they're coming too. What size did you want, man? I sold the last of the hundreds this morning.
75. We got 75.
Can I help you with some of it?
And 125.
Oh, there you go. Yep.
50s. 150s.
No 100s?
No.
125?
125, have we got that? I think we have, or have we not?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Do you want how many of the 75s do you want? The whole bucket?
I've got mine coming, man. They go on a boat, I think, next week. There's lots of stuff coming. I think next Friday is another boat. Weekend after that, another boat. Weekend after that, another boat.
How far off?
Hey?
How far off?
With advance, it takes about a week to get delivered. That boat arrived last week, and delivery only came today. Now it's just like packers, drill bits, wire wheels, and what 10,000 tonne does, bro?
All in one box.
Yeah, and so there's lots of things coming, man.
Need a bigger shop.
I'll make it all fit, man. And now I'll do the oil. I'll be getting AWS 46 in the 20 litre drums next month.
You're getting that from Sugarproof.
Yeah.
255.
Is that what you wanted, man? The whole lot?
255.
We got 65mm roofing screws.
Yep, with Neo.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. How many you want?
500.
Easy. They're in those boxes, Jules.
Around here.
Yeah, those 4 boxes you stacked up. That's them there.
How much is yours?
500.
500. There's 1,000 in a box, so I'll just have to.
You're going to be on YouTube, bro. 12 times 6.5. Wow, I just charged you $18,000, $10,000, bro. Oh, it just dropped. Oh, you been busy, man?
Yeah.
It's good, bro.
Been doing too much in our tractors for a while.
Big
Been building a shed.
Oh, yeah, that's all right.
Just about finished. Just about finished the first tractor for a little while now.
Yeah. Are you finding it all good?
Yeah, it's selling pretty slow, but
Yeah. Everyone's just a little bit more mindful how they're spending, eh? 'Cause I went out to the supermarket and it's basically 60 something, 70 something dollars for a leg of lamb now. Meat's gone up, man. Just Galbies or? Yep, what size, bro? Okay, let's have a look here, bro. Let's chuck that one away. Let's go to the bottom then. Why is there a C3?
Oh, 125 mil cut off this.
Yep.
One box.
Here, bro, like 50 pack.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, we'll do a middle of that. Cancel that. Go to that. And yours is that one. So, 10 by 3. There it is. Something unit of 100 or 1,000. 1,000. And then
100
100 of them, eh?
up to 150. These two.
Yeah.
Shit, how many more? 255 of these ones too.
I've got the 125s, 100 of those. Is that right?
Yeah.
And what's your one?
This one.
75.
255.
Oh yeah, I got that one.
Okay.
Yep, yep. I got it all. And then 67 of the Galbies, eh? Okay, let's have a look here, bro. Hey, man, here we go, bro. 272.99, man. You're gonna be busy, bro. Thank you, man. Got many people helping you, man?
Just me and my partner.
It's a lot of work, bro. I'll give you a hand with it, man.
No. Are you sure?
What'd you park, bro? You're alright with that, man. Have a good weekend, bro.
Thank you.
See you, man. Well, there we go, guys. Did he just drop it?
No.
Oh, he's fucking dropped it, look. Poor bugger.
We did offer to help.
Look, we offered to help. Poor little bugger's playing Hansel and Gretel. Instead of dropping breadcrumbs, he's dropping screws, bro. Poor bugger. We did offer to help. We did help. Well, guys, we're going to sign it off here, and everyone have a good weekend. I'm going home at 4. Julie's got to go home soon. No drinking for me. I'm not. I just couldn't even do it, even if I wanted
Yeah,
to.
me too. Have
So-
a break this weekend.
Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and share, guys. Hit the subscribe. As soon as we get to 100, we're on. Until the next one, we out.